I think you can see me because I can see myself, and I hope you can hear me as well, because wait, where's my camera? Is it there? Because I'm in a state. I feel like I'm in shock. I feel like I'm in shock. Because I just made something. I couldn't call it an album because it doesn't have a music, but the lyrics are complete. There are 7 songs, what's supposed to be songs. And they're complete. It's done in one sitting, under an hour. And I like it. I actually liked it. And I just wrote down random things that didn't make sense at the moment. And it was so fast how it happened. I wrote down things. Every single piece in there, it felt as if it knows exactly when it begins and it knows exactly when to stop, and then it hops on the next and the next and the next, and there until it got to the 7th one, and then it's complete. I'm not entirely sure how many songs there should be in one album, but I wouldn't, yeah, it feels like a whole album without the music. I have something, and it's there. It's really there. I can hold it in my hands. And the things, the words, the verses, I couldn't believe what I was reading. And it did something to me. When I reread it, it did something to me. And that's why I'm here. I just have all this flood of emotions, and all of them are firing at once, and my body is doing its best. It's doing its best in processing it, but somehow I feel like it needs time and a friend. I need more time and a friend. That's why we're here. Because the magnitude of what it did to me is nothing like any of what I have experienced before in my entire life. I feel like this world is not gonna be the same, and I'm not sure how to walk on it. I'm not sure. Like, this thing exists, and I made it, and did I really make it? I'm not sure. It feels like some entity kind of took over my physical form and left. And now I am dealing with the token it gave me. I'm dealing with the weight of the token that it gave me, that now I'm responsible for. I'm responsible for this thing, and I'm not sure what to do. I know I know I know I know I know that I have to do something about it, but right now I feel overwhelmed. And I was not supposed to throw out the trash, but I did. See here, I did throw out the plastic waste and the cardboard waste and the trash in my room, just because I want to use my legs. Just because I want to use my legs. Because I cannot sit when I'm feeling this much strong. It feels like I'm feeling everything all at once. Everything that has ever existed in my emotional body. I feel like I'm feeling everything all at once. All the doors were opened at once, even the ones that I don't have any idea that they exist. They got opened, and now some things are now some things now have opened their eyes, and the doors are closed now, but the things are alive and thriving. And now they're on paper. Like, I'm just a tiny human. I don't even... I'm just... Like, what do I do with all the things that I feel? I feel so small and large at the same time. I feel so small and so big at the same time. How is that even possible? Like if I was the young version of myself, the one who has not read about things or have seen things or have known about the creative process or creativity in general, I would think that I'm going insane. I would think that I'm going insane. I would think that I am seconds away from being locked up somewhere. But now that I've read what I've read and learned what I have learned and experienced more things, I know that this is what's normal for this kind of branch of existence. And I am sort of trying to make my brain understand that, hey, Hey, don't panic. Don't panic. We can handle this. Whatever the responsibility will be, whatever something that we need to do, whatever something that we need to become, we can handle this. We can handle this. We are strong enough. We are ready. We can make things happen. You're not collapsing. You're not collapsing, brain. You're not collapsing. This is just new. This is just new. That's why it feels like this. Every first chapter is supposed to feel like the world before it has fallen apart. This is something that we can handle. I tell my brain that because I feel like there's something there. And it's in my hands. It's my responsibility now. Like I'm scared a bit. I'm scared a bit. I know that I'm capable. It's just that I'm scared that I may not live up to it, but I know that I would. It's just that I'm scared right now. So please, whatever it is, wherever this gift or present or token or whatever came from, I hope you'll trust me. You'll trust my own process of being a human being. I hope I can bring it the best way possible that I could. I hope I could do the best thing that I possibly could with the thing that you trusted me with. Yeah, there's a car coming. Maybe I should go. But I feel like sitting here a bit longer. Because I'm allowed to exist. I can exist. No matter how many cars come, I can exist. It's okay. I need more time. I'll take more time. I'm not bothering anyone in here. I'm not scared anymore. And it's getting dark. And there are actually 2 videos that I did before this earlier as I was experiencing that kind of, because this sort of process began while I was at home. While I was on my way home from work. I was at Trauta Gentori. I had the groceries in my hands, and the bus just arrived, and there was a swarm of people trying to get in, and I somehow got a bit left behind even though I was there first. And when I was trying to finally enter the bus, I was watching my step, and then it happened. I felt some strange sort of thing. And when I was watching my step, and when I looked at the face of the bus driver, I felt like I was not the same person anymore. And it felt I felt calm. Strange enough, it felt calming and reassuring. The feeling that I got, even though I don't understand the larger portion of it. So yeah, maybe I will not post the 2 videos that came before this one, because those 2, the things that I have said there are just nothing makes sense. Nothing at all. You would think that I'm having some kind of a mental breakdown, even though it's not like that. It would look like that a bit from an outsider's point of view, but it's not like I'm not crying. I'm not, nothing like that, nothing hysterical. It's just the ideas, the way they are weaving themselves together. It's in such a manner that I have not really witnessed before in my own brain. And then I stayed on my bed for a bit. After making those videos, I stayed on my bed for a bit for the attempt to take a nap, but it didn't happen. So at some point I decided I should go make some dinner, because I promised myself that I will start a healthy sleeping schedule. I have to get up and go make dinner. Then I made dinner successfully, and then I was in the middle of the dinner when I ran back to my room to get my pen and my notebook. And I got my pen and my notebook, and then it happened. I just wrote, and I didn't stop until it was done. And then when it was done, I read it, and it changed me. And I closed the notebook with the pen in the middle of its pages, and then I was hit by this overwhelming sense of I made it. I made something. And now the earth, it feels like it's standing still, and I'm the only one moving. I would stay here for a bit, but I will end the video here. I will stay here for a bit, but I'll end the video here because I want some kind of liberation from being witnessed, if that makes sense. But thank you for listening to me like you always have done, and I'm sorry that you cannot see my face anymore as clear as it was, but thank you. I'll be okay. Don't worry about me, I'll be fine.